How's it going, guys? So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I've usually just done crawling videos and stuff and upgrades on my RC, but I'm actually going to make a little indoor scale mountain. And this is where I'm starting. I've got the glue gun, cardboard, and some wood for a base. I'm just basically going to put it all together and keep building it as I go. So I'm just going to film and see where I get. So it's a new day, guys. We just got the Traxxas Auto here. Gonna go in and grab some stuff we need. Spray foam, all that good stuff. So I got some spray foam, some paint, and I got some bits for work, but gonna head over to Dollarama now and get some more paint. Need some orange paint. Hey guys, so I'm back at home here. I got this basically built up. I used some hot glue. This is the first one I made. It's pretty sweet. But, that's what I'm going for, like a canyon style. So I got this paint here, spray paint, and then I got some brown and orange paint, and using some spray foam here. Right now I'm stuffing this stuff here, fill it in so I don't have to use so much foam. Stuff some there. I'm gonna make tunnels here, and then another tunnel here. There's gonna be a hill here so you can crawl over or go this way. So it's a little bigger than I anticipated, but it's all spray foamed and dried, so I'm just gonna start chiseling away with a X-Acto knife and go from there. This is the color I'm using for the base, and then I got some orange and a brownish color there. Get all the nicks and corners on it, so yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so after all these shavings, I've got this thing shaved down to what I think will be pretty cool. There's a little tunnel here. I honestly think I need more spray foam. I'll probably grab some tomorrow, but after this I'll be spraying it with this stuff. Okay guys, so it's the next day. It's super nice out. We're laying some paint onto this thing. Okay, so I'm back inside here. This is all dry. I've got some acrylic paint from the dollar store here. This is orange. I got this cinnamon brown. It's foam paint brushes and this tire. I'm gonna be adding some touches to it, nicks and crannies. I was also thinking of using this old wheel with brown, and I was gonna do some tire marks on it here, like all the way up, but it's gonna be hard to do it and keep it nice and square, if you know what I mean. Yeah, it's looking pretty cool. Did a lot of carving on this one to make it look like sharp rocks. So I've added some paint, and I'm just adding some dried moss there. Put some over there too. It's looking pretty cool. There's gonna be a tunnel. I'm gonna add some moss up on the tops of the tunnel and stuff too.